my name is Sanyo, Little Master Chef. Today, we're going to make squash.
Ginataang kalabasa.
We're going to make gatelang kalabasa. We have ingredients here. We have some okra. We have used squash, kukumama, and we have used some eggplants, green beans, chicken, and we have
Pork, that's pork.
pork, and we have tomato and garlic, onion. So let's put the olive here. Let's put the chicken and the onion out.
Careful. Careful. Okay. Put it slowly.
Be careful, okay, for this because mama pasok. So ito po guys, masarap po ito. Now let's put the chicken.
Pork.
Ay, ito, kala ko po chicken. Mix na po. Ihalo-halo po na natin. Tapos lagyan po natin yung patis. Delikado po ito mga bata. Ay ko. Ayun po. Natigil ko na yung mga sisuling. Tapos nalagyan mo natin yung mga kalabasa at saka okra. Lagyan muna natin. Did you know guys, squash is good for our eyes. It is squash. Now, look at that. Look at that is boiling. Lagyan na natin yung eggplant tsaka yung beans.
String beans.
Lagyan na muna natin. Natapon po. Mix na po natin. Delikado po sa bata to po. Magsaksak. Makukuyente po itong mga bata. And then, pagluto na mga itong veggies na to, ilagay po natin itong kokomama. Lagyan na po fresh gata. Tsaka hindi nyo kailangan po kumuha sa niyog. Kasi tingnan nyo to sa extraction. Magaling, di ba? Kasi sa island kasi, madaming buko. So, lagyan na muna natin. Magiging white po to. I-mix na muna natin. Hindi. Yun yung mga inaanmoy niyo po, bata.
Smells good.
Smells good po. Patayin muna natin to. Para, diba yung mga bata, yung mga frying pan, kumukulo pa. Ito, hindi pa kasi look at that guys.
Let's taste it.
Let's taste this. May mga taya-taya po. Masarap. It's so very yummy. Tsaka, masarap. Tapos nantayin natin ito po. Look at that.
Squash.
It tastes delicious. See, look at that. It's so yummy. It's so hot. watching guys. Subscribe for more video.